Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying core account elements so Google can trust your feed. First, confirm your business name, phone and address exactly match what's on your site. Inconsistencies trigger suspensions. Next, validate product identifiers like GTIN and MPN and correct any mismatches in titles and descriptions. Finally, make sure tax, shipping, and return policies are present and consistent across pages. Once done, compile screenshots and documentation to support your upcoming appeal. Now you attack the feed and policy causes. Export the merchant feed report, filter disapproved items, and correct attribute errors or missing GTIN. If a product lacks a GTIN, provide valid manufacturer part numbers or select identifier exists correctly. Address policy violations by removing restricted items and editing claims that sound deceptive. Make your site crawlable, add structured data, and then resubmit the feed. Once resubmitted, monitor diagnostics for fresh errors and prepare your evidence for appeal. Finally, file a concise appeal that explains what you fixed and why. Include screenshots, invoice copies, business registration, and before/after examples. Describe steps you took and the dates changes were made so reviewers can verify. Once submitted, check messages daily and reply quickly to any follow-up questions. If your appeal is denied, escalate by contacting Merchant Center support or a certified partner, and prepare a second appeal with additional proof. One troubleshooting tip: if rejections persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.